Yeah, so not only will it make the engine bay look totally cool, it'll make it sound proper cool like Darth Vader hearing that turbo. And it should help me gain those 25 bhps that I never had all in the first place. Bonjour and welcome to a scorcher. It's a scorcher of a day here in France.
Scorcho!
Definitely one of the reasons why I moved out here in the first place. That and that fresh air. Isn't that right, Mr. GTI? And what's better than fresh air? Fresh air that's rammed in? That's right, fresh air that is rammed in. Which is exactly where this comes in. Yes! Special delivery from the UK, RAMAIR. That's all I'm saying. Let's get it open. Ooh, damn. Instructions. More instructions. Oh look, they've included a fencing mask, look. You can easily fit your head in it. Plate where the air filter gets mounted. Oh yeah! Nice. Loving the colour. Another cheeky lanyard and stickers. Rubber seal. Yeah! And the heat shield. And last but not least, that is nice. That's so light. Machined aluminium. Cool. Okay, so that is the 2-litre TSI VAG Performance intake kit with turbo elbow and red hose. Now it's worth bearing in mind that this intake kit can actually fit lots of other cars within the Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda group. But I suppose one of the burning questions is, why would you want to fork out just under £300 for one of these induction kits in the first place? And to help answer that question, let's go and find Geek Wimpy. Where is he? Hello. I still haven't ironed my lab coat. Thanks for noticing in the last video. Best comment, Wimpy, do you store your lab coat in a sock? No, but it does look that way. Okay, so this is the easiest way to help explain this situation, because you all actually know exactly what it feels like to be a stock 2-litre TSI. Yeah, lovely. Breathing in that restricted warm air all day, delicious. We all know how that feels, right? We all understand exactly how that feels. Now let me explain why that is. Okay, so the air that's actually entering into the engine, you'd have thought looks like it kind of comes through these cool little intakes here, but actually all this is blocked and it actually comes through a little opening, and it is not very big, a little opening just in there. So it's getting sucked in from the engine bay, direct nice warm air getting sucked back in, up into there, and then it gets delivered down, flowing back up into this airbox, which again is nicely situated right next to the engine with no heat shield or anything. So this is getting nice and warm, so nice warm air comes in, gets warmed up even more and gets sent that way. But let's have a look at what's going on in here. So there it is, a stock filter, very good, I would say. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for filtering air, but once again another restriction of the air as it's heading towards that turbo. Nice restricted and warm airflow then. You get my point, right? Oh, thanks for that, Geek Wimpy. That'll be all for now, thanks mate. I'll get back to my important science project. Yeah, perhaps for next time you might want to iron your lab coat, you know, look presentable. No. Really? And you're meant to be the mature one. Time for me to start swatting up on the old instructions. You can see they've got pictures on it as well. 22 stages with pictures included. Yes! Numpty proof, clearly. Start bashing it out. Okay then, so far so easy. You can actually, I just sort of threw the new turbo inlet elbow on. Definitely you could see the difference in the diameter between the two. Obviously the more restrictive the pipe, the more restricted the airflow. So moving onwards and upwards, let's start throwing on the new induction kit. Time then just to install the pièce de résistance. Yeah. Oh, there we go. It's installed. Easy, very easy. So that's the good news. Bad news is it's 1 o'clock here in France. Now there is a law in France that between the hours of 12 and 2, you can't make any excessive noise. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? So I'm gonna start it anyway. Whoa! Blimey, that makes a hell of a noise! Wow, it's definitely making all the whoosh, whoosh, breathing Darth Vader noises I was hoping it was going to. In fact, it's making more noise than I was hoping for, which is great. So what do you think, Geek Wimpy? Yeah, I have to say, it sounds awesome. Yeah, and the air supply, obviously now with the airbox shielded from the heat of the engine, you're getting colder air, which is more dense and have higher oxygen levels. So better quality and colder air running through, no restrictions going on here, just straight in, butterly smooth silicone downpipe into the new turbo elbow, which obviously, as shown, was definitely wider, so better quality air and more of it. Should mean more power. The jury is out as to whether actually it's going to increase power, but let's hand you over to old Codpiece Wimpy to take you for a test drive, and I'm pretty sure he's going to tell you it's faster. Whoa, power! Woohoo! Okay, taking the road I take every day and just tootling at the moment. Oh, brilliant! Wow, you can really hear the turbo sucking in that air. Whooshy whoosh! Loving that. Turbo, turbo, turbo. But yeah, it's definitely taken what was a cool and fun car and just made it even more so. 100%. I wonder what Dean's gonna say. What's that noise? Power! Oh! Okay then, makes all the whooshy whooshy sounds I was hoping for. Only way to test if it does increase power is to get it dyno tested before and after, and yeah, there's no significant change. Put it that way. In my opinion then, please, this is my opinion, let me know what your opinion is, certainly in the comments, but in my opinion, when it comes to these air induction kits, like I say, you've got to imagine this was the full air induction kit, including the turbo inlet elbow. Now, for just under 300 quid, so when I compare that to sort of KN prices, which is double that, and then APR prices, which is probably quadruple that, because effectively you could save your 400 quid saving from putting this in, then a KN, and then go and get your stage 1 tune. Then you're laughing. Ram it in. Yeah, what do you think we should do next? What's going to be the second mod for the GTI? Let me know, let me know. But until next time, guys, I've been Wimpy. He's been Geek Wimpy. You've been awesome for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Laters. didn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's so impressive. I was the other side of the road. I was like, what's happening there? Crazy, man.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah,
You like it?
I'm buying it.